In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell products in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is your main starting area inside GoHighLevel, and from here you can access all the tools you need. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to products, invoices, and transactions. Inside the Payments section, you'll see a tab or menu item called Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open up the product management area where you'll be able to see any existing products and create new ones. To set up a new product, click on the Create Product button. This opens a form where you'll configure all the details. Start by typing in the title of your product. Choose a clear, descriptive name so that it's easy for both you and your customers to recognize. After that, click into the description field and add a detailed explanation of what the product is, what's included, and any key benefits. A good description can really help with conversions. Next, if you want to use a product label, click on the checkbox to enable the product label feature. This can be useful if you want to highlight things like bestseller or new. Then click into the product collection field. Here you can select or search for a collection to organize your product, which helps keep your catalog tidy, especially if you sell multiple items. Now, move on to taxes. Click where it says select a tax category, then choose the category that best fits your product. After that, decide how you want to handle tax in your prices. You can follow your global settings or specifically choose to include or exclude tax in the displayed price. If you need to track tax more precisely, click the checkbox to attach tax rates. In the product media section, click on Click to Upload to add images or other media. Good visuals help your product stand out. Then type in the price amount for your product. If you'd like to show a discount, you can also fill in the Compare at Price to display the original price alongside the current one. If you need to keep an eye on stock levels, click the checkbox to track inventory. This is especially important for physical products so you don't oversell. Next, scroll down to the SEO section. Type in an SEO title for the meta information, then add a short, clear meta description. These appear in search engine results and can help with visibility. Finally, type in the URL handle for this product. Keep it simple, readable, and relevant to the product name. When everything looks good, click Save to create your product. To actually sell this product, go back to the main menu, navigate to Sites, then Funnels. Open the funnel where you want to offer this product, choose the specific funnel step, and add the product you just created to that step. Once it's added to your funnel, your product is ready to be sold through your GoHighLevel pages.